The operations for this particular airbase are going on smoothly given the magnitude of this airbase. These are joint operations launched by the security forces and are being conducted in an excellent manner by NSG, Army, Air Force, Police and the intelligence agencies in a combined and synergized manner. Till now, we have eliminated 4 terrorists. Operations to eliminate 2 more terrorists possibly is in the final stages of conduct. The area of the air base being very large, given the personnel and the strategic assets which are located here, combing operations are going on simultaneously by the Army and the other security forces involved here, which includes the Garuds of the Air Force. The operations to eliminate the terrorists are being coordinated by the NSG, which is being fought jointly by the Army, NSG and the Garuds. The entire operations will continue till all the personal assets, structures are physically combed. So it is likely to take a long time, but we would like to assure everyone that at this stage all the personnel, strategic assets and the structures, families of the air base are ensured. Now the respective station commander and the Army Force Commander, Brigadier Beverly and Air Commodore Dhamun, will give their specific details. I will now hand over to Air Commodore Dhamun for rest of the briefing.
जय हिंद। ऑपरेशन अभी भी चालू है। जैसे आपको बताया कि काफ़ी बड़ा एयरबेस है, बताया कि ये काफ़ी बड़ा एयरबेस है। स्ट्रैटेजिक एसेट्स के अलावा यहाँ पे काफ़ी फैमिलीज रहती हैं, स्कूल्स हैं। ये एक मिनी सिटी की तरह है और ये जो ऑपरेशन चल रहा है इस काफ़ी अच्छी सिनर्जी के साथ एनएसजी, इंडियन आर्मी, इंडियन एयरफोर्स के एसेट्स के साथ बहुत इफेक्टिव सिनर्जी के साथ चल रहा है। एओसीएनसी हेडक्वार्टर डब्ल्यूएसी एयर मार्शल एसबी देव ऑपरेशन शुरू होने से पहले से यहाँ पर है और यहाँ पर ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है जिसकी सिक्योरिटी अभी तक नहीं की जा सकी है। जो लॉसेस आपको बताए गए थे कल, उसके ऊपर और कोई अपडेट नहीं है अभी और ऑपरेशन चालू है। जब एक बार खत्म हो जाएगा तो सारा अपडेट आपको बता दिया जाएगा।
So what is the suspect location of the terrorist at this stage?
No questions. We'll have the briefing first.
Let's have the
Briefing first.
Army give his brief, and thereafter, as we have said that we'll give further press update later in the evening.
Okay. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Along with the NSG, the elite Indian Air Force, and the Punjab Police and intelligencies since 2nd January 2016. The well-coordinated joint operation has resulted in the elimination of 4 terrorists so far. These terrorists had come well prepared and heavily armed with the aim of targeting the strategic air assets which include aircrafts and helicopters located in the vital Pathankot Air Base. I would like to ensure everybody that all these assets have been secured and are safe. There has been no damage to any one of them. The Army, located in close proximity of the airbase, was on general alert based on the intelligence inputs since 1st January 2016. On receipt of the input of a terror strike in the airbase, the Army mobilized initially 6 columns and subsequently 2 more columns along with a platoon of ICVs was deployed within the airbase. The first contact, as you are aware, with the terrorists took place with the Garuds, with the elite Garuds of the Air Force within the Air Force station. Subsequently, with the joint efforts of the NSG, the Garuds and the Army, the terrorists were confined to a specific area. In the forenoon of 2nd January, one of the Army columns, while carrying out sanitization operations, came under heavy fire from a group of terrorists who were holed up in an open patch of land. Subsequent engagement of these terrorists resulted in elimination of 3 of them in the late hours in the evening. The sanitization and search operations continued on the night of 2nd and 3rd January. On 3rd January, the GOC-INC Western Command visited the Air Force Station, and all the other vital assets visited the Air Force Station and all the other vital assets located around Pathankot to review the security situation as well as to review the security of all these assets. The terrorists again opened fire on our columns close to midday, and they were engaged. These terrorists were holed up in a double-storied building, which was the living accommodation of the Air Force personnel, and currently the operations are in progress to clear this building from the terrorists. Our primary concern has been the security of the air assets, and I would like to assure everybody that this will continue to be ensured. We have also ensured that there has been no collateral damage as well as there were no civilian casualties. Lastly, but not the least, I would like to thank and compliment all agencies who have been participating and are currently operating in conduct of these operations. I also salute the gallant Army, Air Force and NSG personnel who have sacrificed their lives or have been wounded in the process of conduct of these operations, and convey our deep condolences to the families of these brave hearts. I would like to also assure you that those who have been wounded are being given the best medical attention at the Command Hospital located in Chandi Mandir as well as the MH Pathankot. Lastly, operations are in progress and the situation is totally under the control of the NSG, the Army and the Air Force. Thank you.
Sir, only one question. Are these terrorists Pakistanis, the 4 terrorists who have been killed so far?
Thank you very much.
Sir, this is the only...
Thank you very much.
Are these terrorists Pakistanis, sir?
तो पठानकोट आतंकी हमले में आप एनएसजी और साथ ही साथ सेना की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस यहां पर सुन रहे थे, जहां पर उन्होंने ये कहा कि ऑपरेशन जो है पठानकोट में वो अभी भी लगातार जारी है। पठानकोट में ये ऑपरेशन रात भर जारी रहा। इस ऑपरेशन में सुरक्षा पर खासा जोर दिया जा रहा है और साथ ही साथ ये भी बताया कि अभी मुठभेड़ खत्म होने में कितना वक्त लगेगा ये नहीं कहा जा सकता है। अभी मुठभेड़ खत्म होने में वक्त लगेगा। पूरी तैयारी के साथ आए थे आतंकी। 4 आतंकियों को इस हमले में मार गिराया गया है। साथ ही साथ 2 अभी और आतंकी हैं जिनके छिपे होने की आशंका जताई जा रही है। आपको बता दें कि पठानकोट आतंकी हमले का आज तीसरा दिन है और सुबह से भी जिस तरह से हम तक जानकारी मिल रही थी, रुक रुक कर फायरिंग की आवाजें एयरबेस के भीतर से आती रही। 72 घंटे अभी तक बीत चुके हैं और ये ऑपरेशन लगातार जारी है।